Welcome again to my channel. This is David. I want to talk to you about taking responsibility for your life. You are as important as any individual who has ever lived on this earth. This is for you. You're not holding place for anybody else. You know how when you go to an event and somebody can ask you to hold their seat and hold their place, and you either put your phone on it or put an object on there to signify that that place is being held for someone else, right? You're not a placeholder. In this universe, this is yours. This existence belongs to you. You decided to come here to manifest yourself in this reality. So really getting to a place of recognizing that although you may have been born through some parents in a particular country, having a particular culture, you really own this existence of yours. So taking existential responsibility is primary before taking responsibility for your life. There are individuals, as I have found in my coaching practice, there are individuals who actually don't think that they should have been, or they should have existed, for example. So there are some cultures where, and if someone is born out of wedlock, that person is said to be not have been, or should not have been born. That person should not have been born because they were born out of wedlock, or or a particular, a variation of that kind of circumstance. And you can have that individual growing in society thinking that they should not have been there. They're thinking, I should not have been here. I should not be here, I was a mistake. There are individuals too whose parents have told them that they were a mistake. That is, when the mother got pregnant, she did not mean to get pregnant. The father did not mean to get the mother pregnant. They were a mistake. And those individuals walk around with the thought in the background, in the back of their mind, that they were not supposed to be here. And that can cause a lot of frustrations, because until you decide to take ownership of your existence, it could be hard for you even sometimes to get out of bed. My word to you is, come up to a place and realize, although you may have been born of certain parents, in certain cultures, and certain circumstances surrounding your birth, truth of the matter is, you belong to the universe. Truth of the matter is, you are the universe. Truth of the matter is, this is for you, baby. Truth of the matter is, the circumstances of your life, or surrounding your birth, or the parents, or the culture that you have, are all part of your existence. So you come up to a place where you accept that, make peace with it, and then you go ahead to succeed. You go ahead to live the life that you believe deep inside that you desire. That's my advice to you. Take ownership of your existence. It is yours, regardless where your parents are from, where you're from, how you came about here, whether you were born out of wedlock, whether you were a mistake, or whether you were not supposed to be born, whether your mom did not want you. Let's clear that energy. Let's clear that energy. Let's release it. Let's forgive those people, those circumstances. Let's make peace with our existence. I am grateful for my existence. I am grateful that I am here. I am grateful that I am aware that I exist. Let's have this attitude, and let everything else fall by the wayside. Own your life, own your existence. Be happy, be joyful, be thrilled that this is you. Be thrilled that this is your life. Be thrilled that you're not a placeholder. Be thrilled that you have been given this opportunity to experience consciousness and awareness. Be thrilled that you're not holding the place for someone else. Make the best of this life. You have certain gifts inside of you, placed there by the universe, and those gifts are forever seeking to come out of you. Own your existence. Rejoice that you exist, and then let those gifts come out of you. Bless the rest of us. Bless the earth. Bless the universe. Namaste.